My friends, everything that happens is really for the best. I'm very observant in this world, on this planet, and often I see that there are many very difficult events that are very destructive and cause suffering to people, and even certain ones create the process of destroying something or someone. Is it good or bad? This is neither good nor bad. This is the natural course of evolution. Unfortunately, human nature is arranged in such a way that a human being does not have a definite volitional impulse for self-development. Well, most people don't have that kind of impulse to self-development, self-improvement. And the events themselves, which are created by people, by the same people, push them towards evolution. And often some kind of pain, suffering, or death of a loved one is precisely their impetus to self-knowledge and self-development, and at least to understanding what happened to his loved one after he died. And this pain and suffering are the impetus for a person to develop. It's true. Watching the planet, I see that all the processes taking place is evolution, and even the worst, what a person considers destruction, then gives good results and sow good fruits. Well, for example, let's look at everything that is happening. Wars around, disasters, cataclysms of various kinds. Why are they given to people? The thing is that the planet has approached a new evolutionary path of development. I'm not the only one who knows about it. The whole world probably knows about it. But mankind is not ready to take this serious step into the evolutionary process and, let's say, start a serious process of evolution in the new world. People are really not ready for a new process of life. Therefore, certain catastrophes happen to them, destruction processes and earthquakes, wars, death, and so on. All this happens so that, on the one hand, this world collapses and these people live this life as having failed to evolve, since they have not fulfilled the main task of their soul, and the point of no return has already come for them. Therefore, they leave this world and this life. But we simultaneously see that their relatives and friends, those who died, those who left this world, on the contrary, begin to develop. This situation and event are their incentives for self-knowledge and self-development. Yes, through different states, maybe even through fear, but a person still starts searching for understanding himself, searching for knowledge about how the world works, where the soul goes, and what subtle dimensions are. And this pushes a person to evolve. And observing life on this planet, I can say that everything that happens, everything is really for the best. All these destructive processes lead the planet to the creation of life. And this creation of life, literally in 10 or 15 or 20 years, will unfold a new epoch-making level of evolution of the planet and humanity, which will worthily overcome these difficulties and hardships and enter this new world. These will be conscious people, people who already understand this life and understand its life correctly. They are striving, they want self-development, self-improvement. Their psyche, their philosophy, and their understanding of the world enable these people to make plans and accomplish certain tasks, that is, improve the state of life in this world. They are already among us taking care of the world and humanity. That is, they are not empty shells. These are people who have a very high and serious potential in their lives. Therefore, my friends, such people really deserve further evolution. And an empty person, a person who only thinks about pleasures, drugs, how to smoke, how to drink, how to enter his madness, a new world is closed for him. He closed it to himself. And of course, difficulties and suffering await such people. And we will be observers. Everything that happens is for the best. It really is. And even if you are out of work or you see that the price of some food has raised, this is just a sign that you need to earn more. You know, I know one very good person, a very successful person, who says the following phrase: "What I can't and don't want, I already have." But I need to do what I don't have. And he is indeed a very aspiring person. He is a successful person. And even now, in this difficult time, he also remains successful. So try to understand these words. What I can't and don't want to, I already have. So you have to accomplish what you could not, what you would like to discover, and what you would like to bring into your evolutionary process. Many will say, but we went to a new job, and we are learning to cook a new dish. Yes, that's good too, but it's not enough. Why? Because all processes in your life occur due to the state of your energy, and if you do not deal with the state of your energy, do not engage in self-development, do not work with your subtle bodies, with your thoughts, do not work in energy practices, in meditations, do not lead a healthy lifestyle, then all your aspirations will be excessively small and will not give such a result as they could give. Therefore, friends, develop and accept everything that surrounds you. Everything is always for the best.